Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel UBXVTV and Boxing Vlog TV. You're watching the box, and today we're going to show you again another figures na nabili natin sa mga online legit seller. These are some rare figures na mahirap hanapin, though not so expensive. Very nice figures. Tingnan natin kung kilala nyo sila. Umpisahan natin dito. Ito ang ano natin guys, kung kilala nyo to. This one is these are one of the police face sheriff. Tagalog ng pulis Pangkalawakan, Sheridan. Medyo malit na yung figures na guys, kaya masyadong maalitag, pero ganda naman yung details. So may stand din siya guys. Ito ang pinakamahirap na mabili, yung mga complete accessory, lalo na yung may mga stand na ganyan. So for this one, this is Sheridan figure. Next natin si guys, sa mga batang 80s, 90s, kilala nyo rin ba to? This is Gavan. Ayan na si Sheridan. This one is Gavan. Siya, may stand din. Paint chips. Maganda yung quality. Last one, tatlo kasi sila guys. Ito, siguradong mas kilala nyo to. This one is, who's this one guys? This one is Shider. Ito guys, kahit maliit, siya, guys ha, pero kita mo naman yung detail, napakaganda. Plano lang siya kalaki. So guys, wait lang. Yung details niya, ganda. This one is Shider. This one is Gavan. Yan silang tatlo guys. Ang sarap magpa nagbabalik ng mga vintage toys. Parang bumabalik ka sa pagkabata. Yan, napakaganda. Ano naman, very detailed. Napakaganda. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to hit like, make some comments, and please don't forget to hit subscribe sa mga ngayon at panood for more unboxing figures from our legit online sale. Thank you for watching.